I started my business career associated with major companies like Larsen & Toubro, Greaves Cotton and Company Limited, our Tata Motors Limited, and most of our marketing activities were being done through official channel, whereby we were supplying to major companies like Singareni Collieries, APSCB, now AP Genco, and all our activities we were routing through the proper channel without going through any underhand means, and we were always dealing with genuine and durable products, giving better after sales service, and never went back on any quality issues. We always supported customer in dire need. We were supplying welding electrodes, and even during midnights when phone call used to come, we used to open our office and take care of the breakdown activities, which has given us a very good support from our customers. When we started our activity, to reach the customer, the principles to reach the customer was very difficult. They were all based in Bombay, Delhi and major metro cities, and reaching the customer, a cement plant or a mining industry, it was very difficult for the direct manufacturers to reach the customer. But now, due to changed times, because of the networking system, any person in any remote place can get to know about the technology, about the product, about the availability with a click of a button on through the internet. Due to this, there are a lot of changes that have happened in the business activity, and now the current business scenario is all on after sales and better service to the customer, more than just the availability or the product knowledge. The customers, they have more product knowledge than us because they go into the net, they interact directly with the manufacturer, they can go into the R&D centers of our companies, and they have much better knowledge than our new marketing people. So the latest now, our main emphasis now for my upcoming sales guys in our company and also to everybody, we are asking them to give a better customer service, better after sales service, be in front of them when they need the product. So these are the things by which we can do our sale. Just by having our product at our place or at our godown, it's not sufficient for us to market it. It is by the contacts, it is by the movement, it is by frequent touch with the customer, and also we have to understand his processes. When he requires, we have to forecast when our customer may require what product, and we have to be there at that particular time. Only then we get a sale. To achieve our success, we have very good support from our team of employees. They give full time of their activity to the company. We have very cordial relationship with them. We have annual events where annually once we go out for a trip where we know each other much more closely than the regular office hours. In addition to that, we are having all the social security things like our having PF, having ESI, bonus, and all the requisites required to make the employee happy and to work with us for a long period in their career. We have 140 employees who have been with us, and we are also having people who are there working from last 20-25 years in the company. 4 of them are there who have worked for more than 20 years in our company, and they are still going strong, and we expect them to work for another decade to get better laurels for our company.